Today, 4th week na mula nang na-transfer dito ang ating mga kale. Today, we are going to show you how to make banana kale smoothie. Okay, so we are going to make banana kale smoothie. Here are the ingredients. Almond milk, unsweetened or sweetened, pwede. Or fresh milk, kung gusto nyo, pwede. Banana, lakatan, or saba. Before na try na namin, masarap siya. Hindi na kailangan ng sugar. Masarap yung apple. And of course, freshly harvested na kale. Okay, we put the apple first. We already chopped it para mas madali ang pag and then kale. Actually, alam nyo ba na ang kale is one of the world's best source of vitamin C. So, since hindi ako mahilig sa mga maaasim na prutas or like oranges, best alternate ang kale. And one of the world best source of vitamin K. Okay, here is our kale smoothie, banana kale smoothie. So easy and very nutritious. According dun sa nabasa ko, a cup of kale is actually mas marami pa siyang vitamin C kaysa sa isang buong orange. Okay? Enjoy! See you next time! Bye!